Shrouded in mystery and influence history. Young Milo has been listening. I brought the beat back, did you miss me? I've got too much swag to see these haters that trying to diss me. I stepped out the dark, I'm making my market like Jesus, then go crucifix me. Young Milo in the mix, G. I ain't broke, bitch, can't fix me. My mind like a diamond, I let that shit shine. I stay on my grind and fast forward, no rewind. Injecting the truth, bitch, I spit when I rhyme. Young Milo got that pretty eye by design. You can check my sign, my fate was written. My brain's in space and my thoughts, they glisten. Pass it down like the shit's tradition. I'm in first place, bitch, where's my ribbon? My swag is too much to keep it hidden. And if you wanna taste, bitch, now it's forbidden. Sickness in your soul, leave you bedridden. Fire flame, white young Milo spittin'. I'm like an atom bomb in this bitch, I'm splitting. Might be impossible, but this my mission. Young Milo is in prime condition. Dope in my mouth, that's sweet swishing. Expect me to stop, that's wishful thinking. Turn up on my bros on the spot, we drinking. Might pass out if I stop speaking. So we go all night, no we ain't no weaklings. Blowing up like a rocket, that's heat seeking. Stay on my grind, relax and rewind. Ha! I'ma let my soul shine. Stay on my grind, relax, rewind. I'ma let my soul shine. Milo on the move, level up and improve. Ain't gonna lose, playing my game now. So how about you bring some girls around my house and we go down. Turn up bass world, you can hear the sound. Holla back gang, know we in town. Hunting down the dope like a hound. Blowing on that smoke when it's found. Milo is giving us hope, call me Swag Young Pope. Milo the savior, there's no one braver. Protecting base world from all these haters. Shady dealings with alien beings. You can't believe what you were seeing. It's an unfamiliar feeling when money raining from the ceiling. This fire flame leave my haters peeling and reeling in reaction with the abstraction of reality. Royalty, Milo is calling me. The world needs another hero. What can he be? Is that a bird or a plane leaping over tall buildings? Young Milo gonna teach you a few things. Coming off top, nigga, this how we do things. Trying to break the bank with my nigga Sway Jackson. Pretty eye gang more than you can imagine. This is how we do and we make it happen. Pull up in the Bentley and the paint is candy. Cherry red Versace model looking so dandy. Reppin' low key but your girl think I'm handy. But who can deny I'm the man in demand, G. Keeping it fancy, I'm calling from beyond but there's no need to answer me. So I'ma just keep on dancing, ha, ha. Stay on my grind, relax and rewind. Ha! I'ma let my soul shine. Stay on my grind, relax, rewind. I'ma let my soul shine. Stay on my grind, relax, rewind. I'ma let my soul shine. Stay on my grind, relax and rewind. Woo. I'ma let my soul shine.